Team Fullest, this is again Amy. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome to Take Off my canal. So today I'm here with another DIY herbs oil. So whenever I purchase my herbs and I want to make something and it remained a little bit, I will put it into a separate container. So I do this with all my herbs, and then at the end of the day I will blend everything together and make oil. So the oil that I make, you can use it for so many things. These herbs oil are not only used for hair. You can use it to massage your body. You can use it as a skin oil. You can use it even as a bath oil. When you finish take shower, rub the oil on your body, massage it with your skin. It's really amazing. So here I have different type of herbs. I have percocet, I have fenugreek, I have negro pepper, I have black pepper, I have clove, I have black seed. I have different type of herbs. So I'm just going to like blend everything, and then I have this almond oil which I'm going to use to kind of soak it. So with this particular oil that I'm making, I tend to leave it to soak for a very long time because I really want to have all the best. I want to have all the nutrients. I really want all the nutrients to really soak in with the oil and the herbs, everything to soak in together. So I tend to leave this one to sit for a long time. If you want something for like a faster result, you want to use the oil and you want to make the process more faster, you can soak the bottle into hot water. For example, you can put a pan of hot water and then put the bottle in the hot water. The steaminess of the hot water will really help to immerse the oil and the herbs together and make the process a bit faster. But I don't want that. I really want that cold press hair, or that cold press oil that I can use for my hair, for my skin, for when I have joint pains, or when I'm having pain on my neck, or even when I want to do just a body massage. I would love to use this oil. So I tend to leave this one in the kitchen cabinet to sit for a long time. With these herbs, you really don't need preserver because most of these herbs has their own natural preserver, so you don't need to add any preserver into it. If you want, you can add some few peppermint or tea tree oil, essential oil for as a preserver, sorry. But I don't really need it because all of this oil has their own natural preserver. So I just tend to leave everything to soak for a very long time. Sometimes I leave this for a month, sometimes more than a month. But the thing I do is I come once a week. I kind of like shake everything, like mix everything just to make sure that everything is like mixed properly. So you mix it once a week, so that the oil and the herbs can really emerge together. So now that I've done blending everything, and it blend quite good, with the percocet, because that is like the stronger one. You have to cut it into pieces. To make sure everything blend smoothly. So I'm not going to use all of this herbs that I have blended together. I'm just going to use few. You can use as much as you want, so it all depends on the quantity of oil that you're going to add into it. So the remaining one, I'm just going to pour it into that extra container, and I'm going to keep it for another use. Also, sometimes what I like to do is I like to get a hot water and soak the herbs into the hot water, and then I will drain the water, and I will also use that as a leave-in conditioner hairspray that I normally use. Sometimes I make my own hair growth spray, so I also use these herbs that I have blended together. I also use it for the same purpose because sometimes you have so much of it and I can't use it all to make hair oil. So sometimes I kind of soak it with hot water, allow it to sit down for at least few hours, and then drain it, put it into my spray bottle, and I use this also as a hair spray, as a hair growth spray, and which of course I have been seeing a great result. If you have been following me for a while now, you guys know I stopped really buying a lot of hair products in the market. I start making my own, just experimenting with things I have in the kitchen, with natural herbs, just with things I have in the kitchen. And so far, I have actually seen a great result, and these are really, really nice products. It helps, these ingredients, these herbs, some of them helps with strengthening of your hair, help prevent hair loss, help prevent excess shedding. So these are really powerful herbs, and I just love experimenting with herbs. If you're someone who love experimenting with herbs, try to combine few herbs together and blend it and try this DIY oil. Trust me, you will love it, and it smells delicious. It smells really beautiful because it has like this, I don't know how to call this star, I forgot the name. It's this star herbs, like it's look like a star, it's shaped like a star. That smells so beautiful, and I love that. I love using that particular herbs as tea, and so using it into my hair oils, it just makes the hair oil smell so beautiful. So this is the hair oil. I'm just going to allow this to soak for as long as I can. I have a lot of oils that I make and I just allow them to soak. So this one that remains, I'm going to be using it for my hair growth spray, leave-in conditioner hairspray. So I just want to come and share with you guys this quick tutorial. If you have any questions, let me know in the comment box. If you want to give this a try, gladly do it. And these are all natural herbs and they are really, really beautiful. Team Fullest, thank you guys so much for your love and support. If you have any question, let me know in the comment box or feel free to send me a WhatsApp message. My phone number is in the description box. Team Fullest, peace out. Bye.